It is a great day to learn something new. I'm Rashana Levin, realtor with KW United. So today's video is on a new loan program that offers 100% financing. So let's get into it. So the loan amounts should not be confused with sales price, though they can be the same thing. So the maximum loan amount with this program is $806,500. So that could be the maximum sales price, or this can be the threshold and you can contribute higher than this amount. So do you have to do a private mortgage insurance? No, this program does not require you to have PMI with it. What type of home types can you purchase with this? Can you buy a multifamily? Can you buy a condo? So with this program, you can purchase a condo, a townhome, or a single family home. So no multi-units are allowed with this program. What about the income requirements? Is there a set income? Is there a minimum amount or a maximum amount that you actually have to have or not make? No, there are no income restrictions. Homeownership status. So, do you have to be a first-time home buyer? Can you own another home? What are the requirements? So it's open to first-time home buyers or repeat buyers. So the definition of a first-time home buyer is a buyer that has not had any ownership in the last 3 years. Repeat buyer in this sense is if you currently own a home right now that you actually have to sell, as long as you do not own this property when you close on this loan, you're eligible. So say, for instance, you're selling a home in Maryland and you want to cross over the bridge to Virginia. Doesn't have to be that case. This is just an example. So as long as you sell that home a day before you actually close on the new house, you are eligible. So there's no basically season like, oh, well, I have had to sell my house a year ago. So it could be a day later or on the same day, but I would never recommend that you close on the same day to avoid drama. So moving on, locations. Where is this program allowed? Is it allowed in certain areas? Is it certain zip codes? Is it certain cities? Is it certain neighborhoods? So the truth is it varies throughout the Northern Virginia, Maryland, and DC region. So if you're my client, we will talk about what that is. And what is actually eligible, what's not eligible, and moving forward, whether this program it will be the best benefit to you. I feel that the program is a great benefit because with Virginia Housing, which used to be VHDA, and with the Maryland Mortgage Program, there are income restrictions. So with that a lot of those programs are based on family size. So this program doesn't matter how large your family size is, how much money you make. So the only, I would say, restriction with this program would be the fact that it varies on the location that you actually can purchase in, which when I looked at the map is really not, you're really not limited. It makes sense once you actually see it, once we go through it. And finally, what is the credit score requirement? You will be surprised. Though I'm going to tell you the low amount of what it is. So 620 is the minimum you have to make, and that is with loan amounts under 500,000. You have to make a 660 if the sales price or loan amount is higher than that. And that is all for today's video. This is just a quick overview of this exciting program. Hopefully, this will help you decide whether you want to move forward with purchasing a home this year, whether you need to sell a home and buy another one. We can talk about the different strategies of how to get you in that. Also, what I did not mention in the video is there's also a $5,000 grant as well, which a grant is forgiven. So that is a positive with the program. Thank you so much for watching. I am Rashana Levin, Realtor with KW United. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call at 240-284-4114.